Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can check if someone is online on WhatsApp or not. Let's get started. To do this, you have to open your WhatsApp app and then log in your account with your phone number, and then you have to do is simply click on that person's chat, and then once you click on that, and you will open this chat or message sections over here or panel over here. As you can see on the top, you will see the nameplate. Below this, you will see last seen today at this time. So as you can see over here, this person is not online on the WhatsApp right now. So you can see if the person is online, you will see over here online option below the name, and you can check it out as well. So if this video found you helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.